Yu Muriki Obotambe gosomone ase wizara yegisemi Dr. Esther Moria litukulia rero anyarakabaga gwikirana ase skuru y'obubundi ya Kisii National Polytechnic asanyarakabaga gakoenekia na guchakia bene omoroberio wokorwa certificate gochiase bali babwate obumanyie bwa amangana y'obubundi abakorwa prior learning asanyarakabaga gotemna niga serikali boigo gantu kubeka emiroberi ao koenekia buna abasae kogenda bali konyora emirimo ne chigasi ao Muriki Daniel Ntirini gaikirana ase eskuru yo na gutwariganira roboti rokobwatia
ukwana umugasorero ase eskuru iga yokoena na migerio yobubundi asomo cyobosongo imeye county ya Kisii kingaki cyo cyakia bena umuroberio wo kwegeria aborokia igoro yo kulikia bali bobwato bumanyi webinto ao amona chikosi cha magoko kurende batabwati chi certificate muroberio ikirenwa na bubwatani ao igati yabo balia boborindi na bwaziri korwase county ya Kisii musubati Dr. Esther Moria nigata yabona ikiga nigetambo kerekia eligukinia obumanyia sabasaye na kubukindiria amabaga yechigasi iga Kenya nonye na sichisiko
mambo ya kukuja hapa tunavaa ile gauni kubwa tunafanya nini watoto wana graduate na wanaenda wapi? It is our responsibility as government to ask ourselves that pertinent question. Our watoto tunasomesha, we have to work directionally.
Kabere otebuna omochando munene orororo no kubeka emereberio yogokonya basaye na muno bali bakorera masomo kolende telego ikirani wa oraria omochaka no moya.
The problem we have been having is writing policies and putting them somewhere to gather dust. That for this country must come to an end. We have to pass a policy and implement it.
Gatato nigo hagikiri bikore byokoenanwa which certificate chete ikirani tibirengo biganirie kurwa chiskuru chiterigete boigo na saborokigwa bakonyora batarakora masomo uruta chinsase chintindi na komenta bona balie barachigotoka mberolere esisenya kemini.
Sitaki kusikia wengine walipatiwa hii certificate waliasesiwa up to here, wengine up to here, wengine like this. No bana, we have to do a good job as you train these people, these assessors and verifiers. Can you also make sure you are telling them exactly what to assess and what to verify?
Otumeki wa mariogo yogotinda na mono chinya sore asaborokiwa abeligeta chikosi au aiga Kenya negati yarebo igagikirwa na koragwe kiara bone bikore bingabo nebyo negati yabiria bigosereria borokiwa magimabo.
But nowadays you walk around utasikia tu harufu ya bagi kila mahali. You make sure that drugs do not get into this, because hiyo bagi inasafirishwa tu kwa mabarabara zetu. And we have police officers, I have OSPD, I have DCIO here, I have commander wa AP. Tutahakikisha kwamba hiyo bangi mahali inatoka ifiki hapa.
Asense mwende mwaziri wechisemia se county ya Kisii Eric Miyenda ukikiri obotumeki bube bwemetandao egati yabasaye na monasa matuka bwango iga gekoreta ebichembe na monase county ya Kisii.
We do not want noise, as it were. There can only be one principal at a time in an institution. We cannot have two principals. There can only be one chair of the council at a time in an institution. And as it were, there can only be one PS at a time in the State Department of TVET. And therefore, if you want to be one, you'll have to wait for your time. And therefore, those few gentlemen and women who are in social media from morning to evening, talking about Kisii National Polytechnic in all manner, please come and be given this recognition. Let them come and be given. If they are well trained in IT, we can also give them. We say we are giving them recognition for prior learning in IT, other than peddling a lot of lies in social media.
Egatambo kerekiga nego kiagokia abobwatani abange gati abo omorokio monene omoya weskuru iga Jona Kola uyo kiarigania na mogokabere buna ngechigokonya aboroki gobaye.
I'm confident that the practitioners attending this training will come out well equipped to ensure successful implementation of the RPL program. Ladies and gentlemen, The Polytechnic is a qualification awarding institution and has developed 47 CBET curriculum with the registration of over 2,000 trainees into the said curriculum.
Nkurubuthire getaseni kia getembe kurega ase skuru yokoena na megerio yobubundi ya Kisii National Polytechnic yogotoka ime yemwecho bosongo ase kaunti ya Kisii literane nguruko Daniel Muntiri.